Zaffiro ironing system. With the Zaffiro professional ironing system in your home, ironing is no longer a problem. Professional iron with temperature regulation, aluminum base and cork handle. Easy to store and maneuver, whether open or closed, thanks to its wheels. Height adjustable in 9 different positions with safety lock. Also includes silicone mat for iron support. Steam generator with stainless steel boiler and safety system. Includes heated ironing board, insufflation function that allows you to iron without leaving any crease, functions automatically activated using the iron button or continuous switch, suction function that instantly fixes and dries the clothes, super sanitizing steam that eliminates mites, viruses and bacteria, extra accessories, sleeve board, vertical brush with heated plate, Teflon base that does not allow to damage the clothes even in the most delicate fabrics, heated brush with synthetic bristles, hose with cleaning tips. Learn more at www.purevapo.pt.